This is our Impressa S9 One Touch coffee machine, which I've just switched on. Put it onto rinse now, and she's been good. We've had it quite a few years now, and it has been serviced last year. There is a slight problem. It's struggling there to clear the carrier for the coffee is struggling a bit, but it will clear itself in a minute. Still struggling to clear. Now the coffee's ready, so this is the cup I put under for rinsing, or the mug. There's my mug. I'm now going to just set this for a 3-star a la carte level. And it'll produce a good cup of coffee. But the engineer who I use to service it has said he serviced it last year, and he did warn me and said that I think that motor, the electric motor which operates the clearing system, the rinse clearing system, is getting tired, and I think the cost to replace it with labour with him is about 150 quid. And I have now decided to change to another machine, and this is going on eBay for sale. It will still produce a coffee, and if somebody knows a bit about these, they can refurbish it or replace that motor. And there we are, ready for the next cup.